Hey sunshines, it's your girl Miss Coco, and today we gonna learn something cool, splashy, and super dope. Today we're about to go on an adventure through history, but not just any history, baby, the kind they don't always teach us in school. Let me ask you something. Have you ever played with a super soaker? You know those big splashy water guns that turn the block into a water war zone? Well, guess what? That fun came from a black man. Say it with me, Lonnie G. Johnson. He was a real-life rocket scientist who worked for NASA. While working on a cooling system for spacecraft, he accidentally made a water pump, and boom, your favorite summertime toy was born. But here's where it gets real. Even though the Super Soaker made hundreds of millions of dollars, Mr. Johnson didn't get all the money he was owed. He had to sue the toy company just to get what he deserved, and he won over $70 million dollars. So now, sunshines, lean in close. Shh, listen very closely, because this didn't just happen to Lonnie. It's happened to black inventors for hundreds of years. Back in the day, black people invented all kinds of genius stuff, but didn't get the credit or the cash. Why? Because of racism, slavery, and laws that didn't protect us. When we were enslaved, we weren't even allowed to own our inventions. Anything we made automatically belonged to the slave owners. Let me drop some names and facts that'll make you want to dance and ask, why didn't I know this? Garrett Morgan invented the traffic light and the gas mask. Without him, cars would be crashing every day, but they left him out of textbooks for decades. Sarah Boone upgraded the ironing board so it actually worked on sleeves and dresses. Black girl magic in the laundry room, but most people still think a white man made it. George Crumb invented the potato chip by accident when someone complained their fries were too thick. That's right, chips came from a black chef, but his name never ended up on the bag. Benjamin Banneker, brilliant black astronomer and mathematician who helped design Washington, D.C., and even recreated an entire clock from scratch after only seeing one once. But how often do we hear about him in class? Lewis Latimer worked with Thomas Edison and helped invent the carbon filament that made light bulbs last longer. Without him, our lights would flicker out. But Edison got all the fame, and Lewis got pushed out of the story. Let's break it down real easy, babies. We've made the world brighter, safer, tastier, smoother, and smarter, but the world didn't always say thank you. They used our genius, made money off it, and left our names out. But guess what? Miss Coco sees you. I see your magic. I see your mind. And the next big idea, it might be in your head. Repeat after me. We invent it, we create it, and now it's time they celebrate it. Final message. So the next time you open a bag of chips, wait at a red light, or splash your cousin with a super soaker, remember, black folks made that. We've been brilliant. We've been building, and we're still here. This is your reminder, sweet babies, that your ideas matter, your imagination is power, and your future, oh, it's looking like legendary.